Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the skate error code 3011715650. The error reads, matchmaking was canceled. CEA.com, unable to connect for additional information. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI-generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to play the game but are unable to connect to the servers. According to our research, this error likely happens due to connectivity issues or problems with the game or EA servers. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to restart your device along with your network. Simply power off your device and router, then wait for a few minutes, and then turn them back on. After that, check for the error. If the error still comes, then check if you need to update the game. If there is any update available, install it, and check if this helps with the error. If the error still persists, then verify the integrity of the game files. Simply open your game launcher and go to the game library and select Skate, and choose the option to verify or repair the game files. Once done, check for the error again. At last, if the error still persists, then check the EA or Skate server status. Simply go to the help.ea.com/en/server-status, and if the servers are down, then wait for some time and try again. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.